Welcome students. Today we will study about the variation, its causes and its importance. This topic has been taken from the chapter reproduction. Now students, first of all we will understand that what is variation. So variation is a gradual, that means a slow, step by step. So variation is a gradual, slow and step by step changes which occurs in the organism, that is either in animals or plants, with slight differences within a species. It means the change in the appearance will be seen in the same species. That I mean to say that if the variation is coming in monkeys, okay, it will step by step go in the species of monkeys only. The variation which are bought in monkey will not be transferred into the deer or tiger. If a lineage of variation goes on with the monkey, then it goes on with the monkey lineage only, and it will be in the same species. Fine. So that's why I have written that it is a gradual changes occurring in the organism with slight differences within a species and are recorded, or you can say marked, in the DNA of germ cells. Fine. So these changes which occurs in the organism, the changes which occurs in the organism in the mode of appearance or in any other internal behaviors. Fine. So any change in the organism due to any of the reason, there are several reasons, we'll come on them later on. These changes are very slow and step by step. This is known as variation. One thing I would like to add in this is that variation is not only positive side, it can be in the negative sides also. But we will ignore the negative vibes, we will only go with the positive sides. Fine. So a variation brings some appearance changes or any internal behavioral change in the organism, and in addition to that, that change which has came in the organism is recorded or marked on the DNA of its germ cells due to which the change which has occurred in the organism will be passed on to its offspring, as the germ has been recorded in the germ cells DNA. Fine. As the germ cells DNA has got the changes recorded in it, and we know that the germ cells are only passed on, or you can say used in, germ cells are only used in the production of new baby in which this changed or marked DNA is used. So the variation which has been acquired by the parents will pass on to the offspring, in which the variation is also being passed on. Fine. Now we will go with the causes of variation. So the first cause of variation is mutation. Mutation can be due to the deletion, addition, subtraction, substitution of any of the nitrogenous bases on the DNA, like adenine is replaced by guanine, or guanine is replaced by thymine, or thymine is replaced by cytosine, like this, or it be substituted or added the nitrogenous bases. This is due to the introduction of ultraviolet rays in the organism's germ cells DNA. So it causes mutations. They can also be gene flow. Gene flow will be later on explained to you, or by sexual reproduction, which we have discussed in earlier video, that sexual reproduction is one of the major cause of the variation in the organism. Fine. So these all are the causes of variation. Now students, we will go that what is the importance of a variation. So variation makes the organism more complex, and so may make the organism more superior than the previous organism. Fine. Variation brings complexity in the organisms, organs, or body design. This complexity makes the work easier. But the variation which brings complexity to the design in the body, design or function in the body of the organism, not always make the organism's life superior or easier. Okay, it doesn't make the life of the organism's life always superior or easier. It may also make it inferior, as in the case of bacteria. See, we are more advanced than bacteria, but the way of life a bacteria can live, that is below 20 centimeter of the ice also, and a bacteria can be found. They can be found in boiling water, they can be found in salty water, they are found in each and every type of habitat, but we cannot be found it. Fine. In that case, if you will compare us with the bacteria, then we are inferior. But but there are several other examples in which you will feel that no, we are superior, because we have gone through variations. So variations bring the complexity in the organism's body and organ, and thus they may make the organism superior than the earlier organisms. Now, next is this is the most important topic, that variation brings survival advantage and protects any organism from sudden extinct. What happens that the environment is not under the control of any organism. For example, if we will take the example fishes in a pond, you are able to see that there are few fishes swimming in the pond. Is the environment around them under control of the fish? Never. So this habitat or niche can suddenly change. For a while, think that the fishes were very happily living in the pond, and suddenly the pond dried up due to not having seasonal or monsoon rain. It dried up. So while they were living in this pond at this time, this fish didn't got that much variation, but these two fish, because they were having very fast sexual reproduction in their generation, this generation was not having very frequent sexual reproduction, and so this was of the old community, and they were having very fast sexual reproduction, and they are baby of the very fast sexually reproducing lineage, and they have got under through mutation, gene flow. Fine. So I mean to say that this is the fish which is not having a survival variation in it, but these two fishes are the fishes which has developed survival variation in it of a particular type of behavior, that they can live in mud also. A variation has occurred in these two, that they can live in mud also, but in this there is a variation has come in which it cannot live without water. Suddenly what happened, that the pond has dried, and this has died because there was no water, and these two were living because they can live in mud also. So this variation which has occurred in these two has made it to live in this different habitat also, and thus it has protected the organism from sudden extinct. So variation also brings survival advantage and protects an organism from the sudden extinct. So next video we will go with the modes of reproduction. Thank you.